Hey beautiful people, today we're diving into a fascinating technique that promises to enhance your sleep in just 30 seconds. This isn't just any routine, it's one attributed to Nikola Tesla, a genius whose innovations transformed the world. Imagine tapping into a sleep hack used by one of the most brilliant minds in history. So if you're seeking ways to improve your sleep quality and wake up feeling rejuvenated, you're in the right place. Let's uncover the secrets of Tesla's nighttime routine and explore how it could be a game changer for your own sleep. Nikola Tesla, known for his monumental contributions to the development of alternating current electrical systems and numerous other inventions, also had unique personal habits, particularly concerning his sleep. Tesla was known to work in unconventional bursts of energy, claiming to need only 2 hours of sleep a night, which he achieved through various methods, including what many speculated to be polyphasic sleep cycles. Beyond his sleep patterns, Tesla's broader lifestyle was one of discipline and distinct routines, some of which contributed directly to his creative processes. While Tesla's intense work ethic and peculiar habits have been widely reported, what's less discussed is the specific techniques he used to maximize the efficiency of his sleep. The technique we're focusing on today involves a 30-second practice before bed, a method Tesla believed prepared his mind for a night of deep restorative sleep. This practice not only helped him maintain his legendary productivity, but also kept his mind sharp and full of inventive ideas. While looking into this technique, we'll explore not only the specifics of what Tesla did, but also why such a short routine might significantly impact sleep quality. Whether or not Tesla's approach can work for everyone is up for debate, but the underlying principles of his method can offer valuable insights into how we prepare for sleep in our fast-paced world. Understanding the importance of sleep is key to appreciating any technique that claims to improve it. Sleep isn't just downtime for the body, it's essential for repairing muscles, consolidating memories, and regulating emotions. Poor sleep can lead to a range of health issues, from cognitive decline and weakened immune function to increased stress and mood swings. In our modern world, where screens and stress often disrupt sleep, finding effective ways to enhance sleep quality is more crucial than ever. Tesla, with his unconventional lifestyle and intense focus on his work, needed a method to maximize the efficiency of the sleep he did get. This context sets the stage for the specific sleep technique he employed. By understanding the deep restorative power of sleep, we can better understand why Tesla might have developed and adhered to his 30-second pre-sleep routine. Now let's get to the heart of Tesla's secret sleep technique. The exact details of Tesla's method are not extensively documented, but it's known that Tesla practiced a variety of personal rituals to optimize his health and productivity, one of which included a particular focus during the moments before sleep. The technique involves a specific mental exercise lasting 30 seconds that can be described as a form of meditation or mental clearing. Let's talk a breakdown of what you might consider doing based on the principles behind Tesla's routine. Just before lying down to sleep, find a quiet, dark space where you can sit or lie comfortably without distractions. Close your eyes and focus solely on emptying your mind of the day's stresses and worries. The goal is to achieve a state of mental silence, and for the remaining seconds, visualize a peaceful scene or imagine the tension leaving each part of your body. The key is to fill your mind with calm, soothing images and sensations. The simplicity of this technique means it can be seamlessly integrated into any nighttime routine, regardless of one's schedule or lifestyle. The objective here is to shift the body into a state ready for deep sleep by calming the mind and reducing the mental clutter that often hinders sleep quality. Integrating this simple pre-sleep routine could significantly enhance your sleep quality and overall well-being. First and foremost, by clearing your mind and relaxing your body right before sleep, you may find it easier to fall asleep and experience deeper, more restful sleep. This practice also aids in reducing daily stress, as dedicating time to mentally unwind can calm the mind effectively. Regular engagement in this technique could enhance your mental clarity and focus during waking hours, which is beneficial for productivity and cognitive function. Improved sleep also supports better emotional regulation, fostering a more stable mood and enhancing your overall quality of life. To make the most of this sleep technique, consistency is crucial. Try to perform the technique at the same time each night to help it become a regular part of your sleep routine. Ensure your sleep environment supports relaxation. Dim the lights, reduce noise, and create a comfortable setting. It's important to remain patient and persistent with this new habit. The benefits of such practices often take time to manifest. By dedicating just 30 seconds each night to this practice, you could potentially transform the quality of your sleep with minimal effort. This technique does not require any special equipment or significant time investment, making it an accessible option for anyone looking to improve their sleep hygiene and, by extension, their overall health. Adopting a new sleep practice like this 30-second technique may come with its set of challenges. One common issue is forgetfulness. Many might forget to perform the technique in the initial days. Setting a reminder on your phone or placing a sticky note on your bedside table can help make this new habit stick. Another challenge could be skepticism about the effectiveness of such a brief routine, and it's natural to question whether something so simple can be effective, but giving the technique a fair trial period, say for a few weeks, allows you to evaluate its true impact based on your own experience. Some might find it difficult to achieve mental clarity in just 30 seconds. If this is the case, it might be helpful to extend the duration gradually until you become more adept at clearing your mind quickly. Remember, the key is gradual progression and adaptation to what best suits your personal comfort and lifestyle. Nikola Tesla's secret sleep technique, although simple and brief, taps into the fundamental principles of relaxation and mental preparation that can significantly enhance sleep quality. By dedicating just 30 seconds each night to this practice, you have the potential to not only improve your sleep, but also to enhance your overall mental and physical well-being. We encourage you to try this technique consistently and observe the changes it may bring to your sleep routine and daily life. As with any new habit, the benefits will become more apparent with regular practice and patience. Thank you for joining us in exploring this intriguing method. Your journey to better sleep might just be 30 seconds away. Give it a try tonight and don't forget to share your experiences or any additional tips that might help others in their sleep improvement journey.